Welcome back! In this tutorial, we're focusing on 4 of the most popular tools in Pixlr: Cutout, Background Remove, Crop, and Generative Expand. These tools are essential for everyday edits, especially for product photos, profile pictures, and social media graphics. Let's start with the Cutout tool. This feature allows you to remove parts of an image, usually the background, so you can isolate your subject. In Pixlr Express, you'll find it under the Cutout tab in the left-hand toolbar. You can choose from a few different modes. AI Cutout quickly detects the subject and removes the background using AI. Shape lets you cut parts of your image into preset geometric shapes. Magic Cutout removes areas of similar color with just a few clicks. And Draw or Lasso allows for precise freehand selections. In Pixlr Editor, there's another helpful tool called Gradient Mask. This lets you create smooth, gradual transitions between visible and transparent areas, great for subtle fades or stylized edits. Next, we have Background Remove, a quick and AI-powered tool that does the heavy lifting for you. You can access it from the AI Tools toolbar in Pixlr Express. It works best with images that have a clear subject. Once your subject is isolated, you can add outlines or shadows to give it a clean and polished look. You can also combine it with the Cutout tool for more detailed editing. This tool is especially useful for e-commerce product shots, social media graphics, or creating transparent assets for mock-ups. The Crop tool is a classic but powerful feature that lets you trim away distractions, straighten a tilted horizon, or reframe your subject for a cleaner, more impactful composition. Need to resize for social media? Pixlr makes it effortless with built-in presets for platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Just select your format and crop with confidence. It's a must-have for content creators who want their visuals to look sharp and platform-ready. Now let's take it a step further with Generative Expand, an AI-powered tool that intelligently extends your canvas beyond its original borders. Choose from preset dimensions or enter your own custom size. Pixlr's AI will analyze your image and generate new content that matches the style, lighting, and texture of your existing photo. Together, the Crop and Generative Expand tools give you complete control over how your image is framed, whether you're refining a portrait, prepping a thumbnail, or designing for multiple platforms. Give these tools a try and see how much time and effort they can save you.